Good afternoon, boys and girls, and welcome to It's Still a Mess Hall, but there's no holes in the ceiling, and paint's going to be going on soon, too, so it's looking good. I have in front of me laser cut sheets for the short circuit and the laser cut sheets for the Atlas 1/20th scale hydroplanes. Yes, I have them, and they just barely fit into the envelopes here, and I'm hoping they will survive shipping. We'll see what happens on the first couple. I may put a couple pieces of tape over the corners just to protect things. Anyway, this is a complete short circuit kit. There's a complete Atlas kit. My plan is to email the instructions as a PDF. Now, here's the deal. Kits for this thing, I can ship them out for $45 plus $10 shipping. $55 will get you a 1/20th scale short kit, plus instructions, drawings, and everything you need to build the 1/20th scale hydro for the new Dr. Jet 1/20th scale challenge. We're going to have a challenge. It doesn't have to be this kit. I'm not out here doing the challenge to whore my kits. You can do anything that's roughly 1/20th scale, which would put you about 17 to 20 inches, that range right there. When you get down into the 15-inch range, that's closer to 1/24th scale. There's a couple actually H&M and MHZ make some little 15-inch boats, but those really are closer to 1/24 scale. I want to keep it at 1/20th scale, so the idea is I'm going to have two things you can shoot for, or maybe both combined. I want to see somebody build a scale model that looks good, has all the scale detail, it looks good. I want to see somebody that builds one that's really fast. And if you can build one that's really fast and looks really good doing it, well, so much the better. So I'm going to give everybody until early springtime to get something going. I might even say Memorial Day. Could be a little sooner than that, maybe May Day, but might be Memorial Day. Anyhow, that way it gives you plenty of time to build, plenty of time to plan, and if you want my kits, send me an email. I'll include my email in the description here. Send me an email and make arrangements to send me $45 for the kit, $10 shipping. If it ships to Europe, it's $50. It's $50 to send this envelope to Europe. But that's the deal. It's $10 here to send this envelope in the US. But there it is. The kit fits in this envelope. What I did is on the short circuit kit, you can see I split the wood right along here so I could take the stringers out, fold it in half. I tried the same thing on the Atlas, but because the way it laid out, I split it right here. This piece was too big, so I had to come in with a pair of shears. So when you get the kit, it's not going to be Dr. Jet neat, but that's going to be the part you throw away anyhow, so it just won't matter. I think I pretty much covered it. So you're going to get style points, you're going to get speed points, the finish date. The speed thing will be 10 laps around 2 buoys 100 feet apart. The style points, I'm the judge. Decision of the judges is final. Any other questions, feel free to ask. But there you go. Ladies and gentlemen, the last run of 1/20th scale hydro kits for a long, long time. I'll let you in on a little secret. I'm working on drawings for something new. Stay tuned. Until then, jet out.